Most people want to save their first $10,000, but very few actually do it because they lack a clear roadmap. The desire to reach that first 10,000 is universal, yet turning that goal into reality remains a challenge for most. Success comes from having a clear roadmap built on practical steps and a step-by-step guide you can follow. Once you hit your first 10K, your confidence explodes, your mindset changes, and your journey to wealth becomes unstoppable. Welcome to Money Mastery, your step-by-step guide to financial freedom and wealth creation. Your first $10,000 is the foundation that launches your entire wealth journey forward. Let's break down how saving $10,000 becomes achievable when you turn one big goal into small daily actions. You only need $833 monthly, $200 weekly, or just $27 each day to reach your target. Big goals overwhelm your brain, but small goals activate it and put you in control. To save $10,000, you need a clear money system that eliminates guesswork and confusion. The 50-30-20 rule divides your income into needs, wants, and future money, giving every dollar a clear purpose. 50% covers your needs like rent, food, and bills, the essentials you cannot skip. 30% goes to wants, such as restaurants, clothes, and entertainment, the things you enjoy. 20% funds your future through savings and investing, building long-term security. Creating a separate account exclusively for your $10,000 goal is a powerful psychological trick. This dedicated account holds your 10K fund away from everyday spending temptations. No ATM card, no impulse access. Automation removes emotions and excuses from saving, making it effortless and consistent. When your salary arrives, an automatic transfer moves money straight into your 10K account before you can spend it. Closing your 3 biggest money leaks can double your monthly savings without lowering your lifestyle. Money leaks through eating out too often, subscription overload, and impulse shopping. Fix these 3 areas first. The 24-hour rule stops impulse purchases and saves you thousands every year by adding one simple waiting period. You cannot save your way to $10,000 quickly if your income stays flat. You need an income boost. Add income through freelancing, weekend side gigs, or online skills. Even $5,000 to $15,000 extra monthly accelerates your goal. Wealthy people save first and spend later, while most people save only what remains after paying everything else. The traditional approach of paying bills then saving leftovers contradicts the pay-yourself-first method that guarantees steady growth. Save first, pay bills after your savings are set, then spend what remains. This sequence protects your $10,000 fund. What gets measured grows, so tracking your progress every 30 days transforms saving into a lasting habit. Your monthly review includes checking savings, celebrating milestones, and adjusting spending to maintain momentum. You cannot hit $10,000 with a weak money mindset. Your psychology must support wise financial decisions. Emotional spending driven by boredom or social pressure opposes smart planning that asks if each purchase helps you reach your goal. Most people miss this secret. Investing a portion of your savings makes your money work for you beyond simple saving. Investment options like index funds, ETFs, and SIPs turn your saved money into growing wealth over time. Saving builds discipline while investing builds wealth. Do both, and your 10K grows beyond your imagination. Follow these 10 steps, and your $10,000 is not a dream, it's a deadline. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because every week we unlock pathways to wealth. Don't miss what's coming up next. Learn how to turn your first $10,000 into $100,000 with our beginner investing blueprint. Keep saving smart, living smart, and mastering your money with Money Mastery.